All right, welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out an absolutely beautiful 1967 Chevy Camaro. This car is wicked. 4-speed manual transmission, 4WIlwood disc brakes, air conditioning. Standing here, the car just looks like a gorgeous, stock show car. But when you look at the performance options they added on, it's awesome.
This was a tough one to decide if we want to go ahead and put some different wheels on it.
I love the wheels.
And just call it, I do too, but just call it a full-blown Restomod. But like you said, it's a RSSS tribute done professionally and just a gorgeous restoration. I don't know if you want to show them this here, Dee, but we put, the restorer put a brand new cross member, brand new front chassis across the whole thing, coilovers on the front, 4WIlwood disc brakes, ice-cold vintage air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, aluminum radiator, a Be-Cool radiator. The best of the best was all put in this car.
Yeah, aluminum head, built 327.
Yep.
Just fast, fun to drive, well-handling car.
We just got out of that Mach 1 that I thought I'd never find anything any better than that one, the way it drives. This one's going to compete with it.
Yeah, just all the nice upgrades with the WIlwoods, the air, front suspension upgraded.
Nice headers, MSD Ignition.
I'll let you walk around this one.
Sure, love to. We'll go ahead and open up those Hideaways for me, Dee.
Sure.
The Hideaway headlights is just beautiful on that front. I love the RS front on these 1967, 68 Camaros. It's got the front spoiler. Hideaways are electric and they work perfectly and fast and evenly. Wanted to show you that. It's a common problem in these things. Hood gap is excellent from front to back. Back of the hood doesn't fit too bad. Just sits up just a smidget there is all. Really nice gaps. Same thing here. Front of the hood gap's a little bit wider than the back, but you got nice clearance all the way through, and the hood fits great there too.
I love the stance that this has, where it sits that little lower. They really did well with the tire and wheel size. It's got that just a little bit of rake, but it looks great.
Yeah, it sure does, and it sucks. It just got really cloudy here, so I don't know if the black paint's going to show as good out here right now, but this paint job and body work is gorgeous on it. I love this car.
Did a nice
beautiful
job.
Black in the sunlight. You can shave anywhere you want in it. It's a beautiful shine. It's got the BFG Redline tires. It's got the disc brake caps on the rallies. Only thing I'm not super fond of, and I would change out, is when they mounted this trim down here, they put a couple screws in there, whoever did that, and that's the only half-ass thing I've seen anywhere on this car.
It's one of those things standing up, you don't see it because they're right below.
No, you don't see it, but I wanted to point it out. I didn't want somebody to. All right, black paint is gorgeous here. Down up in this area, and the cowl is awesome as well. No dings anywhere on the hood, trunk lid, anything I can see. Front and back bumper, tail lights are brand new. Chrome's brand new back there. The dual exhaust sounds good and looks good. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out that undercarriage for yourself. There's probably 20 to 30 pictures on there. Tire tread looks great. Look how that door fits, you guys. Rocker panel is awesome, and that door fits great. Super flush right there. Thanks, Paul. Door jamb paint is beautiful. They painted this car all apart. Trunk lid, hood, doors. Everything was fenders, everything was painted off the car. Rust-free doors. Door panels are beautiful. Armrest base and pad has been replaced. This dang thing. Those little plastic, these little clips here, you never want to stay on very good. Gotta make sure you hold it here and
Here, I can, yeah.
Dash pad is excellent. It's got the Super Sport wheel. It's got the Hearst shifter, 4-speed, beautiful center console, aftermarket gauges that all work properly. Dome light works, headliner's nice. It's got seat belts for 2 in the back. The back seat is beautiful. Door panels are great. The only thing is the interior is a little older, so you do have just a little bit of fade in that carpet.
Which, something that could be dyed.
Yeah, we can dye it. The guys just didn't do that. A couple floor mats here, but here is your trunk floor. Trunk floor is awesome, but the main thing we want to look at here is your shock areas. They're both nice. Beautiful job under here as far as in the trunk area. It's got the correct jacking instructions.
Chrome looks great too.
It does. It's all new. Yeah, they did a beautiful job. Even in here, look at this. Look how nice they did there. Beautiful paint job on it. As you look up and down the driver's side, it's just as straight and nice as the passenger. The door fits really good on the driver, but not quite as good on the passenger, or as the passenger. It sticks out just a little bit there on the bottom. Get to that in a minute. Quarter panel is beautiful. Just two, maybe, is that just a little scuff there? That'll buff out, though, I think.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a little scuff.
Yeah. So when I was saying that, I mean, we're talking just super minute there, but you can just see just a little bit there. As we open up that door, you're looking at a rust-free door, so that's still awesome. So door rubber right here probably needs to be replaced. That little clip came loose there.
Door panels look new.
Door panels are new. Yeah, they look beautiful. The seat shows a little weird though. I think the interior was really nice, and so they did a beautiful restoration on everything else. I think. Do you know what I mean? It is hard to say, but with the fade on the carpet a little bit, that's all I was saying.
Yeah, possible. Interior looks good though.
Very nice gauge cluster. Aftermarket radio works great as well. There's your VIN number. I didn't see any bubbles or blisters anywhere on the car. We're gonna go ahead and roll up our windows. You know why? It's got air. Yep, it's got air. Dome light works as well. Look at that. You can feel it already. How nice that starts. We just put a brand new mini starter in it. When it came in, it started, but that mini starter was just lagging, so we put a brand new mini starter in it. Just went ahead and balanced the drive shaft. It's all ready to go, guys.
Yeah. Awesome oil pressure.
Have you been in this one yet?
Yeah, been in it. Haven't drove it much.
Yeah.
Radio sounds great.
Dave always puts great radios in. That's the first thing, because he wants to drive them.
Yeah.
You know? Look at that vintage air, how high that
works
goes.
Really nice.
Let's get it cool and then we'll take off. How's that?
Sounds great.
Aftermarket tack. If you don't like it there, you can always move it, but it's all right. Works good. Wipers work good. We always put new blades on them here at Coyote Classics. Okay, we get the adjust to the radio. Oil pressure is over 50 pounds at an idle, and we're idling about 700 right now.
Temp gauge works. That's come up a little bit.
Yep. And yeah, everything works.
It's got a great sound.
Yeah.
Exhaust.
It's got some bite to it too.
Clutch feels good there, taking off, no shudder.
Yeah, awesome. I always hate going out this way on the gravel, but look how tight that is. I mean, that four speed is super tight. And I love when they do it right. They don't put some dumbass boot in
here.
here.
They got the slide in there.
Yeah, I mean, it's the only way to do it. I love these factory consoles with the slide.
Headliner's excellent too.
It is nice. Speedometer works, gas gauge works. This car's fun too.
Man, yeah, it's quick. It just handles so well too, just nice and tight.
Yeah, Saddler did a great job. We just had a little vibration, like at 60 to 75. Set that drive shaft off, got it balanced, took care of the issue. That's a great car.
Yeah, it drives great, nice and smooth.
Look at the oil pressure go down the road, Dalton. 327 pumping up 70 pounds of oil pressure.
That are warmed up now here too, to about 160, 65.
There's your, gonna be your downshift. There's your downshift to third. Brakes are awesome. Synchro to second. Synchro to first. All the synchros are great. Clutch feels great. The steering is super tight on it too. You really need to come drive this car in person, listen to it, look at it, and get behind the wheel.
You'll fall even more in love than just
you will.
The pictures and video don't do this one justice.
We sold a lot of Camaros, but we have a fleet of Camaros right now that are just badass driving cars.
Yeah.
Just like that silver one we did a week or two ago.
Well built Restomod.
That 68. This drives just like it, but a 4-speed. I'm not gonna do that. That guy's waiting for it. We're not gonna. I'll do a rolling. I feel bad.
Feel bad? roasting them too much.
Yeah. 4,000 RPM shifts with this 327 small block aluminum heads, and it wants more.
Yeah.
You know, but the next owner can give it a couple thousand more if it wants. But anyway, it
drives great.
Yeah,
fast,
speedometer seems pretty. The speedometer's probably 5 to 10 maybe, but it's nice and swoops evenly. What do you think?
Quality, a lot of fun. Be a fun one to take home for the weekend.
You can, and it's just one of those. Well, I don't know. That's not permission, Dave.
Awesome. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.